If you want to hide your TikTok account from your contacts and stop it from being suggested to other people, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section and open it. Now scroll down until you find the option called Suggest Your Account to Others under the Discoverability section. Tap on it, and you'll see several settings related to account suggestions. Here, you can turn off the option that says Contacts, so your TikTok account won't appear to people saved in your phone contacts. You can also disable the other suggestion options if you want even more privacy and don't want your account recommended to others. Once these settings are turned off, your account will be much less likely to appear in friend suggestions or contact recommendations on TikTok. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy social media tutorials.